what consumer data generally a fintech platform collects from users, and how do they use it to generate insights on consumer behavior and the spending patterns?
Right. So this is just like any other platform, right? So being a finance company, there is an unfair advantage, and when I say unfair, it's not because there are any unfair practices that are done, but just because um, we also have to be more careful when the data is collected. So for example, in my own company, not everyone can access consumer data, right? There are strict protocols, and it's a very risky data to have. But to answer your question, anything and everything about the transaction, the consumer transaction timestamps, the value of the transactions, the demographic, or the you know bio elements or the bio information of the customers, everything is there with fintechs. And to generate insights from that is pretty simple, right? Because we have all the information on what are they spending on, what are the kind of demographics they are transacting in, what is their business industry and domain. So we look at which kind of industries have what frequencies of transactions, what values of transactions, and then that gives us an idea of what kind of solutions will they find more value out of. So for example, if there's an industry like gaming where they have to do frequent transactions, where they have to every game has certain steps where there might be like transactions involved, and it's done in a day, on a daily basis, or on a multiple times a day basis, versus an industry like let's say IT and software, where the transactions are more monthly or annual basis. So those kind of trends, they help us devise better solutions. For example, if we want to devise a mobile app, we know that okay, this is the industry, and these are the kind of customers which would find more use of a mobile app because they are more frequent transactors, right? And versus if there's a company which is an automated or an API integrated company, we would have to build more solutions which are technically flexible, and they can build their own code bases over it, and they can generate more value out of it. So yeah, as a fintech player, a lot of this information comes to us. Yes, we have our own challenges in securing that data. We are liable to actually preserve and ensure privacy of customers, so we do that. But at the same time, we do analysis on industries and cohorts and spending patterns, or just transacting patterns, to devise solutions which are catered to their needs.
Okay. Okay. So it's almost like a personalized, suggestion for customers, somewhat like that.
It depends. So not every thing can be personalized, obviously, and that level of personalization is also not useful in a fintech world, because the kind of transactions and the kind of ecosystem that is there is pretty standard, right? So we cannot go ahead and be as customized as maybe Netflix is, or I don't know, Mintra is. We cannot do that. We have to have our own standard practices in mind. But on top of that, we do right now, as I said, we are capitalizing on a lot of the data that we get, and we are trying to use that to build as relevant solutions as possible for customers.